Aloha everybody and welcome to Beachwalks with Ross. Today's show number 151 and we're at Flat Island, but you can find us at beachwalks.tv. One thing I'm fascinated by is the energy. And the energy of a Friday is so different for me than the energy of a Monday. So we're actually filming this on Sunday, but for you it's going to be Monday. So my thought today is that we swam out to Flat Island, and so we have a special little canoe-led journey for you underwater for most of today's show. But what I love about coming out here is I get to look back at the land and see the big picture and realize that, you know, even this Monday, if it gets loaded up with stress, it's going to, you know, one of these days turn into a Friday. So I don't quite know how to change that. I'm not sure it should be changed because there's also something very exciting about starting a Monday and getting back to a project that I really love working on. So not that anything needs to be changed, but just to kind of play around with the energy, to think about how it is you want to feel today, how it is I want to feel today. I love the way I feel today on a Sunday when everything seems manageable, and that's what I'm offering up for the show today. So, aloha everybody. You can Skype us at Roxanne Darling, or you can call at 949-544-1456. Aloha.
You feel like summertime, even in January's cold, cold days. In the sand you draw a line and say, step over when you're ready to play. Yeah, yeah. But in love you're much more seasoned, and the seasons always change. You say, boy, that ain't no reason for you to get up and run away. You're walking by the sea, and all the shells in the sand wanna be held by your hands. They feeling just like me. It's hard for you to know, and it's hard for me to show what I'm feeling. So I'll tell you what I'm feeling. Yeah, I hope it's unendless summer. I hope it's unendless summer. I hope it's unendless summer. But tell me if you can, when's it gonna end?